Comparison between Redmi 12 series and Poco M6 Pro 5G. Display type, screen size, display resolution, display PPI, screen refresh rate, display protection, dust or water resistant, performance, operating system, chipset, processor, graphic unit, storage, RAM memory, internal memory, memory card, camera, Redmi 12 4G, Redmi 12 5G, Poco M6 Pro 5G, max video recording, selfie camera, battery capacity, fast charging, reverse charging, connectivity, network, fingerprint, Bluetooth, port support, NFC, design and build, stereo speakers, 3.5mm jack, back protection, weight, price, specs score.